So many people are struggling and dying with type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is not a disease. Please understand, if you change your lifestyle, type 2 diabetes you can cure easily from your house. It's very simple, very easy. So many myths are there. Crores of people dying, crores of people suffering with type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is very simple. Just follow the rules what I am telling. First, type 2 diabetes is not a disease. People are really suffering with type 2 diabetes. So, type 2 diabetes, so many people saying that insulin resistance, so many people that pancreas is not working, pancreas is not able to produce insulin, like that. See, please understand, when we eat some food, the food is divert or convert as glucose. When we take breathe, oxygen will come and mix in the blood, and food will convert into glucose that will be mixed in the blood. I am simplifying, I am telling. Next, our pancreas is very powerful, that have lot of capacity to produce insulin. Insulin, glucose and oxygen, these three are our fuel or petrol or diesel. When this travel from blood vessel to cell, at the cell from the blood vessel there is a receptors. Receptors means in the cell there will be nuclear and mitochondria. Whatever fuel is there in blood, it has to enter in the cell, in mitochondria, that will be burned. That is, then we can get energy. But the receptors, like a walls, like a doors, the receptors will be closed due to excess consumption of salt or some other reasons. The receptors will not be open. So with sodium nanoparticles, when you take more salt, the receptors will be closed, not open. So insulin, glucose and oxygen will travel in the blood vessel, will reach the cell, but it won't go to inside the cell. But so many people are telling that pancreas problem. It's not pancreas problem. Pancreas beta cells always produce insulin. In rare cases, very few cases is maybe it's damaged, but majority of type 2 diabetes cases, their pancreas is good, they produce good amount of insulin. When receptors not open, the blood will circulate, the glucose percentage will be high. Our food habits is not good. We are taking lot of carbohydrate instead of proteins, mineral, remaining other things. We are not taking good food. We need protein, fiber, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, hormones. We need 7 nutrients we have to fill every day, but we are not taking proper food. We are not giving proper food. Then we are taking majority of the food as carbohydrate, means we get lot of glucose. That is the main problem. When receptors open, there will be no type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is insulin resistance. Insulin and glucose and oxygen will not going into the cell. That is the main problem. For that very simple formula, just try for 10 days and comment me or call me. Just stop the salt. All people are in different assumption. We get type 2 diabetes because of sodium chloride, salt only. Just stop the salt. Definitely you will be free from type 2 diabetes. Just check for 10 days. It's open challenge. Also we are giving plant-based food supplement to cure type 2 diabetes. I am ready to give. In 7 days your type 2 diabetes will be cured, will not come back in 10 years. It's open challenge. So type 2 diabetes is not harmful. Change your lifestyle, change your food. Just stop the salt. You will be free from type 2 diabetes. No need to take insulin. No need to worry about type 2 diabetes. Thank you.